Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do an evening kind of copper liner look for the autumn. Obviously you can wear it whenever, but I just think that this look is really suitable for nighttime. I'm going to a friend's house today for dinner, so I'm going to get ready and do this. So I just sprayed some rose water, waking my face up with a little bit of the tapping there. And now I'm going to go in with concealer. I always put it on first and let it stay so that it sets and is a little bit darker. So I put it under my eyes there, just two little lines in the dark circles, and then at the corners of my mouth. I also forgot that I have a couple blemishes on my chin, so I'm covering those up, but definitely not marking my whole face up, just so my skin can kind of not even show through so that you can see it. Then I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. I don't necessarily use like a fine tip pencil, I just kind of go over, shade the whole thing, and then later I take the wax with a toothbrush, and I find that the teeth of the toothbrush create those lines in the shadow that I have filled in my eyebrow with. Yeah, so there I used a toothbrush, and I just kind of follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. I don't alter it or anything. I just kind of give it a little more oomph. Now that I did my eyebrows and I gave my concealer time to set, I'm going to go through and blend it in with my fingers, letting the warmth of my hand kind of massage it in there. I find that if I don't set my concealer that it doesn't stay a long time. Like I need to set it and then it'll stay all day. So I just set it with some translucent powder, and now I'm taking an eyeshadow primer. Just because eyeshadow, especially when you put it on concentrated and don't like blend it out, has a tendency to kind of migrate. So here I'm going to take a dark pencil and then just put it in my lash line so that it enhances my ever non-existing eyelashes. I love this mirror. I found it at an antique shop and it has my initials on it. Now I'm taking this dark brown and I'm going to put it kind of as like a shadow liner, so it's a little more soft. I'm putting that in the lash line as well, just to make it darker and give a base for the copper shadow. And I'm taking that from the tip of my eye corner there and all the way just out like a wing. Now I'm going to go over with this copper shadow, and I'm not actually going over the pre-existing dark brown shade there. I'm taking it as a separate line on top. And the juxtaposition of the dark brown and the copper makes the copper really kind of show through. Because if it's just the copper, you don't necessarily see it. Like, it doesn't make the eyes pop as much. So I like to follow it with the dark brown. I'm also taking a little bit on the bottom lash line there. And now I'm going to just anything that kind of dusted down. I took a brush just to clear that out. Also a little bit of concealer there, just in the corner, in order to, again, make that pop, the line pop there. Curling my eyelashes, mascara. I don't like to put mascara on the bottom, but that's my own personal preference. I think every eye shape and face is different, so whatever you feel suits you. I'm going to take some blush. My face looked really kind of washed out, just like super pale. Yeah, so taking the blush to bring myself to life. This is kind of a red Chanel blush, but then after that I'm actually going to go on top with a light peach cream blush, just to have that gradient of color on my cheeks that seems a little more, not authentic, but natural. So I'm just putting that almost up near where you would put highlight, and then I'm going to take this oil and use that as a highlight. So there's a gradient from just the glossy oil down to the cream blush, then to the kind of heavier powder red blush. I love a big statement hoop. It's definitely not something you wear every day, but since I'm going over for dinner at my friends, I think that um, these are very nice for the occasion. And this is the final look. It's not necessarily subtle, but it's also not too strong. It's just a beautiful look for the evening and for this kind of autumnal weather. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Let me know if you recreate it. And yeah, have the best week, guys.